guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Stuart Weitzman haul. So I got these boots from Stuart Weitzman, but before we get into this video and I show you the boot that I got, have you subscribed to my channel? If you would subscribe, I would love it. I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting? Do you want to find out what boots I got? Oh, you do? Okay, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. I actually got these boots for my birthday from a group of my friends and my old manager, and it was just a really nice surprise. And when they bought these for my birthday, it just goes to show like people actually know my taste and people actually know what I love. And as my friend Jonas will say, we got boots for all you hoes, we got boots for you. And these are international boots, although he kind of stole it from Ricky Thompson, I think that's his name.
Oh my, I didn't see you there. I was too busy focused on my brand new pair of boots. Yes, bitch, I got new boots. Boots on you hoes. Yes, these boots are from London, darling. These are international boots, baby.
So yeah, it's not really Jonas is saying, but we always laugh about boots. So when I saw these, I was like, oh my god, crazy. It's so funny because my friends were like, oh, have you tried them on? How do they fit? And I was like, no, they're actually just sitting in the box, which is really bad, but that's just how I am. Like when I get something, I'm not like in a rush to like wear it, or like, I don't know, I'm very weird. And I didn't actually realize that they were leather. So let's get into the unboxing. Stuart Weitzman come in this like purple or a blue box, and they come complete with 2 dust bags. Well, I don't know if they come with 2 or 1, to be honest, but I have 2. I'm just trying to think, because I also have another pair of Stuart Weitzman which are down there, which I can't bother to get out. They're also thigh high over the knee. I'll insert a picture somewhere here. I'm just trying to remember if they come with 2 dust bags or not, but yeah, these are them. I love the fact that they're like really packaged well, and inside each boot you do have this packaging, which I do recommend to leave in the boot, especially if it is leather. Well, actually all Stuart Weitzman boots are like leather or suede, because it just helps to keep the shape and it helps to maintain the shape. Let me get the other foot so we can put them together. I'm actually off out, which is why I'm like quickly doing this unboxing for you guys, so I hope it's not rushed. And you know, I normally have my full glam on, but I just have my skincare products on today. I want to do a full glam, and I didn't know if it was going to be too much for this video. I'm going to an event and I'm going to be wearing Barry M makeup, which is like whoop, whoop, whoop. I didn't know if it was like a little bit too much. Anyway guys, as per usual, I am rambling on. These are the boots and I love them. I don't have over the knee leather boots. I do have some flat suede ones from Steve Madden, which I might just pop on my Depop because I've got these now, but they were suede, so I might still keep them, to be honest. All Stuart Weitzman boots are made in Spain, so you know the quality is good. This is 100% leather. It smells like leather, you know that leather smell. And also on the inside it does tell you the size. It's a 36, and yeah, I think on each person they do come up a little bit different over the knee. I have heard a few people saying, oh, why does that boot look longer than the other one? It's not that it's longer, but ideally like someone who's a size 41 isn't going to be like 5 foot, are they? So they need the boot to look longer, so it goes over the leg. I also love the fact that on the bottom it says Stuart and then Weitzman. They're so long, I don't know if you guys can see. And I'm not sure what these retail at because they have taken off the price. But I think they're a little bit expensive. So go you guys for buying them for me, you know. A girl's gotta have a boot. And of course it's winter now, so I will find out the price and I will put it somewhere here. I will also give you guys a little link below where you can purchase these from. You can purchase them obviously from Selfridges, Russell and Bromley, and the website. The style of the boot is Lowland in leather, and I'm a 36. I'm usually a 35.5, which is a 2.5 UK in Stuart Weitzman, but that's the suede boot. So I think with the leather boots you should really go for true to size, just because they're a little bit more stiffer. I did quickly try them on and did have like half a centimeter left for room, but I did try them on with like pop socks. I didn't try them on with actual like thick socks. So I'm wearing them out today. I'm going to insert the pictures of what they look like on. And yeah guys, I'm absolutely just in love with them. This is so my style, so I just think like it was such a nice gesture to get these for me. And I'm wearing all black today guys, so your girl is gonna be looking like a black goddess, which I am. Oh, but yes, what else did I have to say about these boots? I don't really know. I really hate like unboxings that are really long, because it's just like you want to see the product, you want to see what it looks like on, and then you want to go and buy it. I'm trying not to drag this on, but I just think these are just a classic wardrobe staple, and especially because they're flat, you can wear them all day. I am going to wear them today with some paste jeans, this basic classic bodysuit from Naked, and throw on a Zara blazer, and I'm good to go, to be honest. I've also ordered 2 dresses from Femlux, like jumper dresses, and I've got some bits coming from Lipsy and Studio as well. So I'll probably wear these a different way, with like a jumper dress and like a cute belt, like oversized jacket. I'm really trying to get into these fall looks guys, because last week I was wearing cycling shorts just to like, you know, not let summer go, but summer's gone and it's cold guys. So yeah guys, by the time I edit this video, I probably would have worn these, so this is how I styled them today.
So as mentioned, I was lucky enough to go to Stylix Lux with Barry M, and I did a whole takeover for them. I styled my boots with Paige denim jeans Margot, which are super high rise, a bodysuit from Naked, which is a polo neck, because Lord knows we need to cover that neck. Listen, it is cold out here. One of my trusted headbands, and a blazer. I also wore them to another event with my Femlux new jumper dress. I just put a Naked blazer on top and tied it with a belt for an oversized look, my Givenchy bag for accessories, and a headband.
But that's the end of my unboxing guys. If you like that video, why not give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, I'll be happy if you share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of where you can buy these boots from, because you need to get new boots. It is winter. Look at my new boots. But I guess I'll see you in another video. Remember to always stay what guys? Bougie.